Hi, how are you doing? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host2B Academy. Today, I'll show you how to connect Facebook Pixel to Shopify. First, we'll access the Shopify dashboard. Then we'll click on Online Store on the left. Next, we'll scroll down and click on Preferences. On the Preferences page, scroll to Facebook Pixels. Here's a button to set up Facebook, but first we'll create the pixel in Facebook. We'll access business.facebook.com. Then open the Facebook Business dashboard. On the left at the bottom, click on Settings. This opens our Facebook settings page. Now on the left, click on Data Source. After clicking, a submenu opens. Here, click the Dataset button. A page will open showing our pixels. If you haven't created any pixels on Facebook, it'll be empty. Simply click the Add button. Click it, and a tab opens asking for the pixel name. You can name it anything you want for identification. Here, I'll name it Pixel Tutorial. Then, just click the Create button. The pixel is now created and will appear in the list. After creating the pixel, you'll have its ID. With this ID, you can configure various platforms. Next, we'll assign your user. Let's click the Assign Person button. The page will open. Select your user, which will be your name. Click on the Total Control option. Here, you'll have control to manage pixel data events. Next, click the Assign button on the right. It'll confirm that your person was assigned. We can click Done. Now let's connect your ad account, connect assets, then select other assets. It'll show your ad accounts. Select the ad account to link to this pixel. Just select it and click Add. It'll confirm successful addition. Now you've created the pixel correctly on Facebook. It's linked to your user and ad account. Now let's go back to Shopify. Back on Shopify Preferences. Click Set Up Facebook. The Shopify store will open. Facebook and Instagram app will appear. Just click Install. The Install Application tab will open. Click Install. After installing the Facebook app, it'll ask you to connect your business account. Let's click on the Connect Account button. If you're logged in, click Continue. If not, enter your email and password. I'm going to click Continue. Next, we'll click the Get Started button. Now, you'll set up Facebook with your already created pixel. It'll ask you to select your Facebook account. I'll connect with the user I want. Just click Connect. It'll ask us to select information preferences. Set it to maximum and click Save on the right. It'll ask us to select our pixel. If you haven't created a pixel, you can do so with Create New. Since we've already created one, let's click Connect. It'll ask us to accept the terms and conditions. Click Accept, then click Submit for review. Just wait while the setup is being finalized. Now the pixel has been correctly set up on Shopify. If you want, use this app to set up and sell products on Facebook. You can start setup below, but we won't do that in this video. If we click the settings button up here, we'll see the pixel is inserted. Now you can set up events and ads with this pixel to track Shopify sales. I hope this video helped. Bye.